Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a red lipstick and a nude lipstick, as you saw in the video when the video started. So I'm using a brown liner to line my lips. Yeah, I'm using a liner brush. So I'm overlining my lips, as you can see, and smacking my lips. So after this, I'm going in with the nude lipstick. Yeah, it's a very, which color will I call this now? A brown lipstick. So you guys, after I'm done, I smacked my lips and I was always blending and blending. You need to blend it in very well. And then I went in with that brown color I used to line my lips on the upper lips to darken it a little bit. And from this instance, I'm not going to be smacking my lips again. And I lined the down lips again. I just wanted that line in the down lips. That's why I lined it and applied more lipstick on that before going in with the lip gloss. Yeah, so here I'm applying lip gloss and I was cleaning my brush as I was applying the lip gloss. Make sure you clean the brush so that the other side will not go to the other side. It will not mess up your lipstick. You need to be very careful not to mess up your lipstick. So this is the final result, guys. Tell me what you think about this particular lipstick in the comment section. Drop a comment for me and tell me what you think about it. So you guys, let's go over to the red lipstick. I equally used that same brown color to line my lips. I lined my upper lips and equally lined my lower lips with that same brown lipstick. I'm using the palette. So after doing that, I'm smacking my lips and I'm going to go in with that red color, that red lipstick. You know, we have different types of red. So this is pepper red. Yeah, a very pepperish red. That's what I went for this time around. I'm applying the lipstick and smacking my lips for blending and easy apply all over the lips. So as I'm applying that, I'm equally using that brush to blend in to avoid harsh lines. I'm using the brush to blend in. Yeah. And after I'm done, I'm going to be applying more brown on my upper lips too. Yeah. And then I'm lining the down lips too with that same brown. And then I'm putting my gloss. After putting my gloss in the brown one, I clean my brush to avoid passing that brown to the red. And it's going to mess it up if the brown is to go into the red. Yeah. So this is the last result. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and drop a comment for me, guys. See you guys in the next video.